This is a little video of a 2007 BMW R1200 RT, the police option. Some people say it's an RTP. I've never found that on any official BMW literature or designation. That's just something people come up. I had a little argument with somebody. As I do a little tour, walk around of this bike that I have for sale. As you can see, the lights are on. High beam, low beam works. It's not running. I have not started this in a while. You can tell the gauges here, 8,129, and it's a cold. So I'll turn this off so that these strobe lights do work. I have them disconnected from the main control module. Some more lights there. Up here, this mirror is missing. Some emblems. As I said, the engine's cold. This is also another part. I want to mention that I may make an insurance claim, and my insurance is full coverage, so it will cover this damage here. This is also loose, but it opens up. I want to point out that tags are good through February of next year. Got more strobe lights. This opens up, you know, perfectly good. I have a little radar holder and the siren. This mirror is here. You know, as you can see, some damage on the seat. Again, this is all stuff. This little thing here did this. I don't know why the mechanics did that. So all your light controls here. And I think this switch here controls the strobe lights, and that's why they were coming on. So I think this seems like it doesn't release. But the horn, there's no horn, it's the siren. And this button here controls the siren as well. So this is like the one sound, this is another. And they do work. They're very loud. Comes from this siren down here. So to hear it start up, like I said, it's been sitting for several hours, and here we go. So I want to point out that you don't see any. There's no. I'm going around here because there's no smoke. I want to show that there's no blue smoke came out. Starts right up. There's no unusual noises. There was no knocking. So that's the whole thing, and I will take a second here because this opens up. And that's what the inside looks like. Control modules are down there. So again, thank you for looking. And one last go around.